Gang, 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 what's poppin' with y'all, man? Top of the morning. Top of the morning to the kings and queens. Y'all already know how I'm coming, man. It's your boy Karnage Slaughter. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button when you step in here, gang. Make sure you do. Make sure you do. You feel me? Only say that because I would like for y'all to make sure you do too, gang. I mean, that's definitely right. Man, look, every day is a new day. Every day is a better day for you to betterize yourself to embetter yourself, gang. You know what I'm saying? If you can relate, hit that like button. Every day is that, man. Today, yesterday was. If you wasted yesterday, don't waste today, right? Nuh-uh. Don't get out there for a second and waste today. You get up off your hiney and you gonna make something happen, gang. I'm telling you like it is. Hey, if you like what I'm talking to, man, hit that cash app is right there. Yeah, it's right there. But I'm just saying that's the truth, man. Every day is a new day for you to make a new pathway to succeed, to success, to achieve, as you know the grades call it. Yes, it is, man. Morning wake and bake too, gang. But don't ever let nobody deteriorate your pathway of how you get into your bag, gang. I'm just tell you that. Don't, because for one, it'll happen to you. It'll happen to you in the worst way, gang. You hear me? Oh yeah, it'll happen to you in the worst way, gang. And before you know it, you'll be looking around like, dang. You feel me? You be looking around and you off of your path, you off of your score because only you let them throw you off. That's why you got to be a man of your word. If you're a man, you got to be a man of your word, a stump down man, stand up person. Like I said, man, how many of y'all out there working with that chat GPT? Make sure you out there getting to the money too, gang. That thing do amazing things. Trust me. From illustration to rewriting, blogging, they can do whatever you think of, whatever you can name, it can do. They still working on it though. But like I said, it's a new way to productivity. It's a way to get your hustle on. It's a way to get your grind on, gang. Some of y'all don't be peeping that. Pay attention though, man. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, y'all tripping off the pregnant folk. Yeah, that's how it be, gang. But I'm just saying though, every day is a great day for production. Make sure you stand on the grind by doing what it is and what it takes to get you where you got to go. Learning, man. Get you a book, pick up you a book, get some knowledge out of it. Apply the knowledge to others around you that, you know, probably couldn't obtain this knowledge or probably who never heard of this knowledge. Apply it to them to share that wisdom. That's the thing. Us black folks out here, we don't stick together enough, gang. I don't know how many times we're gonna have to stress this, but we got to start doing better by sticking together. That's it. That's all it takes, you know. And a little bit of encouragement, gang. Yeah, that's all it takes. And I'm telling you, within no time, we'll be off our feet, right? Yeah, you know we will. Within no time, we'll be off our feet. And we'll be floating. We won't be jogging or running, gang. No, we'll be floating. And that's better than running. If you ask me, that's much better than running, gang. You actually you propelling yourself forward. You propelling yourself to success. That's how I like to think of it. You know what I'm saying? I like to think of it in that method, gang. Because a lot of times some people look at things in the wrong way. And us as black people, we got to stop looking at everything in the wrong way, gang. Or going ahead of ourselves, thinking, you know, that assumption type of pattern thought. No, we got to stop doing that. I know because I do it myself sometimes, gang. You feel me? It happened to some of the best of us, Slaughter family. But at the end of the day, we is who we is. We human beings. That's all we is. And we only can get smarter and better, right? Right. Toast to that, gang. Mm-hmm. Yeah, with that being said, you know, like I do every morning, I got to keep y'all updated on the next content coming, or I got to keep y'all updated on some type of spiritual upliftment, some type of advice, gang, to get your day going, to get your day popping, to get your mood, you know, feng shui. Some of y'all need that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. And I'm gonna tell you something. If you got some suckers around you who don't do that, gang, something wrong. You hear me? Hold on. I'm bad about that, man. Yeah, like I said though, man, you know, it's about production, man. Like I be telling my kids, gang, that's what it's about. It's about making sure you got something to lean back on and you got a future to go forward on, gang. Making sure you know your plan over the last plan that you had. Because I'm telling you, every plan gotta be better than the last one. You know what I'm saying? The cats around you ain't even telling you this though. That's the thing. That's the trippy part. Some of your best homies on the block, some of them favorite artists you looking up to. Yep, and you already know who they is. Them snitch artists out there that done told and got out of jail, gang. Some of them people don't even tell you this in their music, gang. All them niggas talking about is killing each other. And that's sick, you know, it's sick enough. But like I said, man, make sure you woke up productive today, gang. Thinking about a bag, getting to the money. Thinking about the bag, getting to the money, executing the plan. Hey, until the next time we back in this class session, gang, I love y'all. Y'all already know that, man. And I love y'all for coming over here, spending that time with me, because you could have been anywhere else, but you chose to come here, gang. So y'all dearly, I appreciate that. Family, Slaughter family, man, y'all make sure y'all have a blessed one, gang, today. Don't let nobody ruin your mojo either. Stay in your mood. You know what I'm saying? No matter what, stay in your mood. And I am out. Gang, what's cracking, man? It's your boy Karnage Slaughter, man. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you go subscribe to both of the channels, man, at Karnage Slaughter Street University. And also make sure you hit that notification bell at the top. Also make sure you hit that like button, man, and stay tuned in. Gang, support your boy. I'm out.